Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianda and I hope you guys are having a lovely day. Today I'm gonna take you guys through the process of me doing a huge room clean out. Mind you, I've been in this room since high school, so the evolution of watching my room go from this to this, I'm scared. I am determined to actually clean my room out this year, and obviously 2025 is coming up, so we have to get ready for the new year. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started with my closet clean out. And would it be a Brianda video if I didn't give you guys an OOTD? So I've had this since high school, but this is thrifted, and then this top I think is from Charlotte Russe. You know, part of the Pilates club or whatever. I do Pilates, but I'm definitely not in a club. Anyway, it's important to look cute before cleaning your room, because if you look a mess and your room looks a mess, you guys are just, you know, vibing on the same frequency. And no, when you're around me, baby, we gonna elevate. That is the motto for 2025. So start off right by looking cute, getting dressed up before cleaning your room, so you look good and you want your room to match that energy. Let's whip this room into shape. Stop right there. What parts of our room are actually causing it to look disgusting? Oh, don't judge. It's just giving cluttered. Now we're about to move into the scariest part. I just don't know how it got this bad. Like, it just looks like I need to be a hairstylist at this point. Oh my, this is scary. I had an obsession with collecting shells and I thought this was the cutest decor, but it's just giving tacky to me now. These shells can go in a little memory box, and we've already seen them, baby. We've already seen them. It's time to take them out. Starting with my vanity, we have some paperwork. I don't think I need these anymore, so I'm actually gonna throw these away. Yeah, not a sponsored video, but Shein, if you don't like paying almost $100 for a full set, you know where to go to get some cute press-ons. I also have some for my toenails, but this is crazy. Like, I really don't think I'm going to use these, but these might just go in the trash. And then we have these. These are cute. I love these. When have I ever wore these? Okay. Okay, we have a scrunchie. This needs to go in the hair section. I don't even know if this works. Nothing's in here. Throw away. What is a knife doing in here? Oh, heck no. This vanity looks. This is so cute. I love how minimalistic it is, and my personality is still written all over the decor, so super happy with the turnout. This is not even everything. Like, this is like half. I could honestly sell these. Like, oh my gosh. Look at the collection. If this is not a Cancer, I don't know what is. Such a typical Cancer move. I love it. My baby teeth are in here. So cute. A whole bunch of other memories, so I'm definitely gonna keep this box. This, we've just gotta put this somewhere else. The collection is crazy. I just can't even believe there's a crown this large to even exist. Like, Lord have mercy. Queen Bee would be a good place. And here I have receipts of someone that was being intentionally racist. So I literally had receipts of her saying, I'm letting go of this. I no longer even need to care about what this person thinks. So guess what I'm gonna do? Because wherever she's at in life right now, oh, she's getting that payback. Look at this. You don't need a mister when you got your sister. This is exactly why you do a deep cleaning, because you do not need this as a 21-year-old. Now that was not light work, okay? I'm gonna have to take off the jacket because it's getting a little hot in here, you know? I'm so happy that we finally organized this, and I couldn't believe that there were so many things I could throw away that really were just so old and nostalgic, but some of those things I just didn't even know I made. I had to go in the basura at some time. So let's see what's awaiting us, and it's gonna be scary, but we're gonna get through it together.